Now I am going to discuss a technique of Vedic maths, that is finding square of a 3-digit number using Yavadunam method. I am taking the case of a number which is far from the working base. In my previous videos I have discussed the technique of finding the square using Yavadunam method, but in each case the number was closer to the base. Either it was less than the base or it was more than the base, but it was quite closer to the base. So now I am taking a number which is far from the base. Let us take the number as 784. Now you see that if as 784 is a 3-digit number, and if I take the base, the closest base that I see is 1000, and if I take the base as 1000, then 784 is very far from 1000. For this I will take some other base except 1000. Let us take a base as 800. Now if I take the base as 800, it is basically 8 into 100. So, and 800 is quite closer to 784. So, what I will do, I will consider the base as 800. So, in the first step, I will find the surplus of the number. Surplus is a number which when added to the base will result in the number. That means I have to find a number which when added to 800 will result in 784. And here the surplus will be minus 16, because whenever I add minus 16 to 800 I will get 784. So the first step is to add the surplus and the number, and as I have taken the base as 800, it is 8 into 100, so I will multiply the sum with 8. That means I will add minus 16 plus 784 and I will multiply the result with 8. This is an important step, because in this step, in the earlier steps, what we have done, whenever we are trying to find the square using Yavadunam method, what I was doing, I was first calculating the surplus and then I was adding the surplus to the number. But now here I have added an extra step. That means I have added the surplus to the number, but then I have multiplied the result with 8, because I have taken the base as 800. 800 is basically 8 into 100. So I have multiplied the result with 8. So result 1 will be 8 into minus 16 plus 784. When I add these numbers, I get, it will be 8, then 6, 7. So it is 768. Now when I multiply 768 with 8, I will get 8 into 8 is 64. I get 4 and 6 is carry. Now I will multiply 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is 48 plus the 6. When I add 48 to 6, I get 48 plus 6 will result into 54. So I will add 4 and 5 is considered as carry. Now I multiply 8 into 7. Now 8 into 7 is 56, and when I add 5 to it, it becomes 61. So result 1 is 6144. So what I have done, first I have taken a base quite closer to 8 to the number, because the number was 784. So I have taken the base as 800 except instead of 1000, because 1000 was very far from 784. So I have taken a number closer to 784 and I have taken the base as 800. Now when I take the base as 800, it is basically 8 into 100. So what I have done, I have first found the surplus. Now the surplus was minus 16, because when I ever add minus 16 to 800, I will get 784. So then I added the surplus and the number. I got the answer as 768. Now then I multiplied 768 with 8, because the base was 8 into 100. So I multiplied the result with 8, and 8 into 768 will be 6144. So this is result 1. Now result 1 is 6144. In the next step, we will find the square of the surplus. So we will find the square of minus 16. Square of minus 16 is 256. So this is result 2. Result 1 was 6144 and result 2 is 256. So when I see that the answer is 256, but I know that in the base I have 2 zeros, so I will be using 2 digits at a time in the answer. So out of these I will use the digit at the tens and the ones place, that is 56 is prefixed in the answer and 2 is considered as carry. So in the next step I will add this 2 to the result 1. The result was 6144. So 6144 plus 2 will be 6146. Now this 6146 has been prefixed in the answer. So you can see that the answer is 614656. So this is how we can find the square of a 3-digit number, which the number was very far from the base. Now you can see that if I am finding whenever I am sitting in a competitive exam, and if I get a question in which in some stage I have to find the square of a 3-digit number, for example I have to find the square of 784 and I use the normal technique of finding the square, it will take a lot of time. And you know that in the competitive exams the time is always short, and if we use the normal method of finding the square, a lot of time will be wasted. And if we use these techniques, the techniques of the Vedic maths, a lot of time will be saved, and so we can use that time to solve other questions. So I would suggest you to master these techniques, because only if we master these techniques then we will be able to use in an exam. So my suggestion to you is to master these techniques, and so practice these techniques daily, so that these techniques are on your tips, and whenever you encounter such situations you can use these techniques easily. So this is how we are trying to find the square of a 3-digit number. Now I would like to summarize the concept again. I have taken a number which is far from the base, because 784 is very far from the base if I take the base as 1000. So I have taken the base as 800. Now 800 is quite close to 784. So the first step is same, that I am finding the surplus. Now surplus of 784 is a number which when added to 800 will result in 784. So when we see that the surplus is minus 16, because whenever we add minus 16 to 800 I will get 784. So I have added this surplus to the number, so minus 16 plus 784 will result in 768. Now we see that the base is 800, that is 8 into 100. So I have used this 8 and multiplied the sum with 8. Now 8 into 768 will result in 6144. So this is result 1. In the result 2, I have found this. I will find the square of minus 16, that is the square of the surplus. So it is 256. So now this is result 2. Now I am writing the answer, that is the square of the number. You see that in the base we have 2 zeros, so we will be prefixing 2 digits at a time in the answer. So but we see that the result 2 is a 3-digit number, so we will use this 2 in the carry, and 56 is prefixed in the answer. So we see that 56 has been prefixed in the answer and 2 is the carry. This 2 is added to result 1. So the result 1 was 6144, and when I add 2 to it, it becomes 6146. Now this 6146 has been prefixed in the answer, so the answer becomes 614656. So this is how we can find the square of a 3-digit number in a very lesser time than the normal method of solving.